Hello everyone, this is my review of this 6-in-1 wireless charging power bank. It has massive charging capacity. I can charge my iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods multiple times without worrying about running out of power. The wireless charging feature is incredibly convenient. No more tangled cords or searching for outlets. I especially appreciate the built-in stand, which allows me to prop up my phone while it charges, making it perfect for video calls or streaming. The LCD display is a nice touch, providing a clear view of the remaining battery power. Plus multiple out ports, I can charge several devices simultaneously, which is a huge plus when traveling with family or friends. One thing to note is that due to its high capacity, the power bank is a bit bulkier than others on the market, but the trade-off is well worth it. The extended battery life and versatility it offers, I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.